In our first video, we go over the heart of our programming, incorporating artificial intelligence and gamification in EFL education. We'll look at two current apps called Curipod and Quizify as ways to improve the teaching and learning experience for both EFL professors and students. Prepare to see the convergence of artificial intelligence and educational prowess as we usher in a new era in language instruction. Join us as we decode the tactics designed to improve results for both instructors and students. Welcome.
Welcome, language enthusiasts, educators, and technology enthusiasts. We are about to start on an exciting journey at the crossroads of education, innovation, and technology. And we are delighted to introduce you a groundbreaking project that has the potential to transform the EFL education.
This video is a passport to the future of EFL education. Whether you are an educator looking for new methods or a learner looking for a new learning experience, let's take a look at how AI and gamification can change the landscape of language learning.
Greetings there, educators and language fans. Today, we're excited to introduce Curipod, a game changer in AI education. Carlos, could you explain Curipod for me, please?
Sure thing, Albert. Curipod is a game changer in the field of artificial intelligence education, designed specifically for English as a foreign language instructors. It is considered a platform that smoothly integrates artificial intelligence into your teaching arsenal, making language education not just efficient, but also exciting. Curipod is at the vanguard of innovation with an extensive list of distinctive qualities. This green-age platform combines the power of artificial intelligence with an easy-to-use interface to create a dynamic environment in which EFL teachers may create personalized learning experiences for their students. Curipod is here to help you make a bigger impact, whether you are a seasoned educator or just starting out. So why is Curipod so valuable to EFL teachers? For starters, its adaptive learning algorithms adjust lectures to specific student needs, guaranteeing that no student falls behind. Second, the platform provides a vast bank of interactive resources ranging from artificial intelligence-driven language exercises to immersive virtual scenarios, resulting in a comprehensive learning environment. But wait, it gets even better. Curipod is about more than simply studying. It's about having fun while learning, say goodbye to boring drills, and hello to engaging language activities that seems like games. For sure, I know what you are thinking. They sound incredible, but it is easy to use. Absolutely. Curipod has a simple and user-friendly method. Let me show you with a practical example this surprising platform. First, head over to curipod.com. Once you're here, you will be greeted by the vibrant Curipod homepage. Now, look for the sign up button. It's usually prominently displayed at the top button. Click on it and begin your journey. First, head over to curipod.com. Once you're here, you will be greeted by the vibrant Curipod homepage. Now, look for the sign up button. It's usually prominently displayed at the top button. Click on it and begin your journey. First, head over to curipod.com. Once you're here, you will be greeted by the vibrant Curipod homepage. Now, look for the sign up button. It's usually prominently displayed at the top button. Click on it and begin your journey. First, head over to curipod.com. Once you're here, you will be greeted by the vibrant Curipod homepage. Now, look for the Once you have signed up, let's personalize your experience. Click on your profile icon, usually is at the top right. Here you can add a profile picture, specify your teaching preferences, and customize your account settings. So welcome to this part. This is the second part of the explanation. Now you have app. Now you have the opportunity to enter to all of these characteristics and qualities that this web page Curipod have. So you are going to see that we have reading comprehension, vocabulary and grammar. Students can receive artificial intelligence feedback if they need it. Now we are going to do just a small exercise with full lessons. So you have to click on it, okay? In these full lessons, you are going to see that you are going to create anything you want for any topic or any student that you like. Okay, let's talk about, I don't know, like toys. We're going to talk about toys, and it's going to be for grade fifth grade. Okay, so let's do magic. Okay, so right now with artificial intelligence, it's generating the lesson. Okay, it's going to give you a full range of activities for any subject, ensuring that you are going to have like the exact goal, exact outcome for your students. Okay, so you are going to see that here we have right now the presentation. The first thing that you have to do is to put it into the present mode. Okay, then you are going to find that you have the opportunity to share the QR code to your students. Okay, so you have to open it here. So meanwhile, they are supposed to be QR code. As soon as you finish, as soon as you have your students, it's going to appear here. So you already know that you have 20 or 30 students. Okay, so the first activity that is going to show us is the is a word cloud. Basically, is you have to your student have to name their own favorite toys. Okay, that is going to be the first activity. You can control the time here. You have if you want to give less or more time, it's up to you. Okay, the second part is on a slide where you are going to explain evidently the topic that you are going to talk about. We have another slide where it is going to tell you the did you know part. Okay, we have some questions, an open question again, so your students can open it and answer it without any problem, any trouble. Okay, more questions, and it's so interactive because you are asking your students to help you develop the class. Meanwhile, they are answering some kind of questions. We have one important thing here, and in this slide that is number 8, you are going to see that it says drawing. Okay, so it's a brain break basically. Okay, so here it says that draw a piggy bank with superhero powers flying through the sky and saving the day. Okay, so you have to give them like some time, and they are going to draw in their phones. Okay, this piggy bank with all of the characteristics that they are going to have it. At the end, with this part ends, so evidently it's going to appear all the drawings from your students, and you're going to have fun here because you are going to try to understand or to read if they make a really nice drawing. Okay, as soon as you finish, you are going to go to the next part. That is another question. You are a toy designer. How can you make a toy that is both educational and fun for fifth grade students? So you have like an activity that could be made in pairs, and it could be made with the group in 20 minutes, could be. Next slide, you're going to find a poll. Okay, what is a popular toy that you can build and create things with? Another pool that we have, what type of toy can you ride on and go around? And the last one is just one last question. That is all in this part. Evidently, you can modify your lesson if you want to add more slides, if you want to add more things, you can do it as you want it. Okay.
And there you have it, educators, a glimpse into the future of English language education using Curipod. The convergence of artificial intelligence and gamification is more than a passing fad. It is a transformative force. So why not join Curipod in riding the wave? Until next time, keep inventing and teaching, and let's work together to build the future of EFL education. Goodbye.
Hi there, I'm Christy. Today we're gonna talk about Quizify. Thank you, Carlos, for sharing us your recommendations. In this moment, this platform, enhanced by AI and gamification, will change your mind. Are you struggling with some ideas for your presentation, maybe? Or do you need some help or a brainstorm for a class project? Do you need to
Okay, Quizify, our intuitive and user-friendly interface that you are seeing in this moment, can help you to master and learn any topic with ease, as I told you before. So let's get started with our webpage, quizify.com. And the first thing that you need to know is to get on settings in order to customize your experience here. So don't forget to give information about obviously the language, courses, what kind of course an educator you are, also the difficulty level, what type of writing you want. Yes, that information is very important from the courses, from the quizzes that you are able to prepare here. So here on features, you can continue selecting one option. The first of them is a course. Our topic would be music. Yes, you can select any other, but our examples are going to be regarding to music. And here you have all the structure that is the suggestion for your course. There is divided by lessons, by topics, by subtopics, and you can have the first idea that you want to manage your class. So here you have many possibilities, depends on the level of course. Very well. So imagine that you are in classroom presenting some web pages from your students, some links about music. This is our topic. I highly recommend this web page, freeplaymusic.com, in which you have some selection from gender, scene, and mood. You may propose to them vocabulary and the exercise to listen the music and live in the experience. Yes? So one of the activities that you may implement here is giving a lesson to them. So this is our selection music culture lesson plus quiz, and then you generate the lesson. Remember that here you can be more specific. Music culture in contemporary era, and then you have, if you want give more details, it's up to you. And here you have the magic. There are ideas for your presentations, for your slides, for giving them a feedback. Have a lot of ideas here divided by titles, subtitles, information that is important for the topic that you have seen in the classroom with them. This is one option, of course. Very well. And finally, the third one, giving the quiz. You can quiz them or they can quiz their classmates, interchanging the information that they have found from the websites. There is another possibility. They can challenge themselves or you can challenge them. Selecting only quiz, you have on your mind the topic. If you select here the topic, artificial intelligence gives everything to you. But if you have a text previously prepared, it's important to, to paste here. So one of the other ideas that I present to you today is a documentary. You can find a documentary on YouTube, many information, also from podcast, yes, from podcast, or also from news, some articles that students can read previously. So all those inputs that they received, like podcasts, like documentaries, like news, could be an issue to take advantage from the quiz. If you select, for example, the documentary on YouTube, you have here in the transcript, this is the information that we want to quiz them, quiz your students. So paste all the text that you want to give the questions about and generate a quiz. And that's it. Here you have the quiz from 8 questions according or regarding the information that you have previously gave to them. So important answering online. You continue the questions. At the end, you have the result. Of course, you can retake the quiz, generate another one, or share the link. Important this final aspect because this is the link that you need to use with your students in the classroom. So, as you can see, there are a lot of activities, a lot of brainstorm that you can start from scratch in your busy days, and obviously also give your students creativity to your lessons or challenge themselves in the classroom. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your attention. See you later. And let us know in the comments from this video if you have tried Quizify before. Tell us. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
And there you have it, language junkies. The dynamic integration of artificial intelligence and gamification is making the future of EFL education. It looks brighter than ever. We have investigated cutting-edge apps and tactics that have the potential to change the teaching and learning landscape.
Before you leave, be sure to like and subscribe to remain up to date on our trip through education and technology. What excites you the most about artificial intelligence, gamification, and EFL education?
Share your opinions in the comment sections below. And remember, this is simply the start of a transformative journey, not the conclusion of it.